We just want you to find one thing that you feel optimistic about, and everything you want will then happen. Isn't that interesting? Find one thing that you feel appreciation about. Give it your undivided attention, and everything that life has caused you to ask for will come in. A lot of people who begin doing this work with us report in something similar to that. They say, it feels like I have a rubber band stretched back really far, and when I found this material, I let go, and a whole lot of things happened really quickly. And we say, because a little bit of allowing goes a long way. And when you chill out a little, stuff starts getting in. We called this for quite a while the science of deliberate creation, but you took it all too seriously. We see you suck, you try to suck, cancel, try to suck your thoughts back before law of attraction gets hold of them. Oh, I thought a thought of something that I don't want. What if law of attraction gets hold of that? Just chill out. You are where you are. Your stream's moving toward what you want. This isn't a big deal. You're worthy beings. It's supposed to work out for you. It's supposed to be fun. You never get it done, and you want this ride.